Alright, here we go. So we have another custom order for some hoodies. The artwork was already made for us by them, and so I just uploaded to Adobe Illustrator. I hit trace and expand, and then usually I delete the border just so that I don't have to later. And then we also made the stroke a little bigger so the lines were a little thicker. And then I save it as an Adobe PDF. And there you go. Then I upload it to the LXI program that came with my vinyl cutter. It's the VinylExpress R Series II. I'll leave a link in the description down below. So all I had to do was size it and hit cut. That was a little tester sticker that I had. And here's the vinyl cutter doing its thing. This one actually worked out really well, and we only messed up, or I only messed up on 2 of them, so yeah, that kind of sucked, but still, there we go. Easy peasy. So here we are, and we just made about 8 of them. And there they go. Heat press at 320 degrees. We're using Siser black heat transfer vinyl from heatpressnation.com. And yeah, everything worked out pretty well. There we go. Yeah, so guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know. We're still learning here, so let us help each other out. Peace.